If you like gadgets, be an engineer. If you like money, work in finance and get great at making it for others. If you're looking to begin a career within the most powerful industry on the planet, or a change to a firm that does things a bit differently, that's merit-based and doesn't rely upon you to develop a book of business from scratch with dated lead generation techniques and little more than a story to sell, then you might have found your home. We're very different, and it starts with our role in the market. We're a boutique investment bank that capitalizes best-in-class alternative asset managers. That includes, of course, real estate sponsors, hedge fund managers, lenders that operate in various niches. Those asset managers enable us to generate better risk-adjusted performance than what's otherwise available through the public capital markets. We've also developed compliant and innovative marketing and sales infrastructure to take the heavy lifting off your plate when it comes to bringing in assets. This allows us to focus on what really matters, delivering superior products and services to the market. We use quantitative metrics like maximum drawdown, Modigliani measure, and the omega ratio to capture a complete market cycle's worth of data so that we know definitively what the risk characteristics are of the asset manager that we're securitizing and the quality of the products that we're putting to the market. That leaves very little room for stories and misguided heuristics to mislead investors in terms of how to make responsible allocation decisions. Further, we have an eye on the capital markets, so we structure products that are designed to meet holes in the markets. For example, our Infinite Romad Fund is designed to generate high single-digit yield with a risk profile commensurate with treasuries. We know that there are a litany of baby boomers who are in need of quality fixed income and have little to no tolerance for risk. Well, that may be difficult to achieve in the public capital markets, but when you take advantage of the arbitrage opportunities that exist within private asset classes, all of a sudden those constraints become removed. We've also developed innovative structures that allow non-FINRA licensed professionals to participate in our business. So you don't need a license to get started with us. As you've probably gleaned so far, there is complexity in our business. As with any industry-leading, innovative, user-friendly solution that actually works, there is invariably an inescapable complexity on the back end. To solve that problem, we've developed a concise masterclass that covers all the details you need to know about investment banking for alternatives. This masterclass introduces who we are, what we do, why we do it, and what makes our offerings objectively better than just about anything else in the market. It covers quantitative risk analysis, risk engineering, institutional grade fund structuring, capital formation, and the esoteric regulatory considerations specific to alternatives. Another benefit of the masterclass is that it will expose you to the workings of our core marketing and sales funnel, which is our primary tool for communicating all facets of our business and recruiting people into our merit-based perspective. Armed with all the information covered in this masterclass, not only will you be prepared to have a productive conversation with us about the opportunities that we can afford you, but you'll be well ahead of your peers in terms of real financial expertise. There is a small tuition for the masterclass, but it's charged 5 days after you enroll and only if the masterclass exceeds your expectations. If the masterclass didn't exceed your expectations, just send me an email and you won't be billed. The reason we have a payment process involved at all is because people that don't pay attention. The tuition is high enough to compel people to commit to completing the class once they enroll, but it's small enough to keep it accessible to just about everyone. Once you complete the masterclass, you'll be provided access to my calendar to schedule a 1-hour call. We can discuss your career goals and how we can help you achieve them quickly. Click below to get started, and I look forward to speaking with you.